Hello traders, this is Ala Peters on May 24th, 2018. In this video, I would like to explain what to expect in Fibonacci Trading Boot Camp, the most exciting Fibonacci educational event of 2018. This is second event this year. Typically, I do only a couple of boot camps per year, which are always included in Fibonacci Mastery Course. Excellent opportunity for new students of Fibonacci Mastery Course to master everything they learn in the course and learn additional Ranger strategy at no additional cost, which is savings of $888. Graduates of the course taking bootcamp to master all they learned in previous years and to learn additional strategy at additional cost of $888. So if you would like to join us in intense day trading educational environment, you will receive additional 30 hours of Fibonacci Trading Education, where every single day, Monday through Friday, July 9th through 20th, you will be mastering new Ranger Fibonacci Strategy, Proprietary Fibonacci Levels, and Fibonacci tools that applies to any instrument, any platform, and any time frame that you can day trade or position trade. You will learn rule-based Fibonacci strategies with stop, entry, and targets during this intense 2 weeks of education. You will learn what charts to trade, what charts not to trade. You will learn how to day trade spending maximum 10 minutes per hour in front of the screen. You will learn how to utilize the power of the trend. All are welcome: day traders, investors, position traders, option traders, stocks, index, commodities, ETF, forex traders. Traders from beginner to hedge fund manager will be in bootcamp. You will learn when not to trade corrective and slow markets. You will learn money management and trader psychology throughout the bootcamp. You will learn when Ranger not in a play. We will be focusing on basic strategies during this intense 10 educational days. Bootcamp will start every morning at 9:15 EST Monday through Friday, with breaks in between. On average, 3 hours per day. You will learn Fibonacci strategies that can be traded on any platform, from futures to stocks, options, forex, and ETFs. Risk management and trader psychology will be addressed throughout the bootcamp. If you will scroll back up and click on Learn, you can review all about bootcamp, and you can also review the information about education course, as again bootcamp included in Fibonacci Mastery Course. New course starts this Tuesday, May 29th. Sooner you sign up for Fibonacci Trading Boot Camp, sooner you will be prepared for the boot camp. New class starts every Monday with the exception of Tuesday after Memorial Day holiday. All classes are live, modules only supplemental. Group course 8 weeks, private mentoring 16 weeks, includes boot camp. You learn proprietary Fibonacci retracement tool, proprietary Fibonacci strategies, with supplemental online materials. Key classes in regular other 6 weeks on Monday and Friday, in bootcamp every day. We meet Monday through Thursday at 9:15 EST, in bootcamp Monday through Friday, during July 9th through 20th. So sooner you sign up, more prepared for the bootcamp you will be. As always, most important website, most important part of this section is where students share what they learn and how, what they trade and how. So if you would like to listen to traders, from beginner traders like Pablo, to hedge fund managers like Victor, like Joseph, who are trading the method in US and globally, I highly encourage you to do that. Never hesitate to contact me, as always, on Contact Us page at 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. You can always review the videos on our YouTube channel and subscribe for video updates, which you receive daily, where you can also review the accuracy of the method that applied to any instrument, any time frame, any platform for the last 8 years. So thank you, traders. Look forward to seeing you in Fibonacci Mastery Course and in Bootcamp. Never hesitate to contact me. Always look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.